if you want to cook in your car, I don't recommend you to buy those adapters that you can put. Those are like metal adapters that you can put in your pan to use with the cooktop, with the induction cooktop, because they don't work. And also I don't recommend you to use those heaters, those little ones that you can use to dip in the pan to cook anything, because they are hard to clean. I recommend you to use a pan that is going to be made only for, or that is going to be made for induction cooktops like I have. Also, you can use it for anything else, but at least if you're starting and you want to have problems, it's better to do what I just said. I'm going to show you why. If you are wondering if this metal that you see maybe on eBay, if it works or not, well, I'm telling you, it doesn't work at all. I just put it like that. I just cut it. You see the cut that you see over here. I tried to put it in a small pot, but it doesn't work. I put it the way it was. It's not perfectly straight, but it should work. As you can see, it's there. And if I start the thing, it will show you that error. So that means there is not enough metal here. But if you use a regular cast iron thing, it will work like a charm. So hopefully this was useful. If you want, I can try to leave you pans that are made for this, and they work just great. I couldn't find the exact size that I want, so that is why I tried something like this. But I have to get something I don't want that is going to work here. Otherwise, the other solution will be to get an adapter like this, so that way you can put it here and cook whatever you want. The only thing I don't like is they're kind of hard to clean, so usually I let it dry. Once it's dry, you can start peeling the whatever food you are using, in this case noodles.